Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. We asked a doctor if taking turmeric can cause liver damage. Turmeric and its active component, curcumin, are known for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. While turmeric can be used in cooking, some research has linked turmeric and curcumin supplements to liver damage. According to an expert interview, the risk of liver damage is primarily associated with highly absorbable forms of turmeric and curcumin, such as those enhanced with black pepper extract. Regular turmeric without modifications is less likely to cause liver injury. Cooking with turmeric, even with the addition of black pepper, is generally safe. The strong flavor of turmeric limits the amount used in cooking compared to supplements, which may contain higher concentrations. Herbal supplements like turmeric are not as regulated as prescription medications. It is important to choose a reputable brand that has been independently tested. People with existing liver conditions or heavy alcohol consumption should use caution when considering turmeric supplements. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.